Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will know what is native advertising. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about affiliate marketing in our last episode. Please check the I button. So let's start. What is native advertising? Native advertising is a type of advertising that is supposed to look like something it is not. It's an ad that looks like a regular article or post, or like a link on a website, but it isn't. Native advertising is a form of advertising that appears to be a part of a news story or blog post, when it is actually an advertisement. Why use native content? Native content has many benefits that have made using this method of marketing more popular in recent years. These are the three main reasons why more marketers are incorporating native content into their branding strategy. It's effective. The simplest and most obvious reason to use native advertising is because it works. Native ads are viewed by consumers 53% more than display ads and create an 18% increase in purchase intent. They keep eyes on the page and generate more business. It's engaging. Native advertising fights ad fatigue by keeping the consumer engaged. After being exposed to so much traditional advertising, people's eyes glass over and they stop retaining the information. Since native advertising is more about content, it keeps readers' eyes on the page and thinking about what they consumed longer than display ads. It's welcoming. According to a 2018 study from Stanford University, consumers don't mind being targeted this way and are well aware what they are reading is sponsored advertising. Often, they'll even seek out certain native content if it has relevant information. Furthermore, a time-incorporated study from 2017 found that 2 out of 3 consumers have greater trust in custom content over traditional advertising. So, today we know what is native advertising. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.